Jokey diamond files are available in a variety of sizes, shapes, and designs. They are also available as both hand and machine files. Diamond files are the universal tools for mold makers and tool makers. They remove material quickly and precisely, last very long, and are therefore economical to use. They are ideal for hardened and tough hard unhardened steels, but they can also be used well for machining hard metal, ceramics, GRP and CFRP, and much more. Thanks to the diamond grains protruding from the bond, best results can be achieved even with little contact pressure. The high quality of the Jokey diamond files also ensures a particularly long service life. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us or visit our shop.